What's up guys, my name is Sid and welcome back to my channel.
And our goal is not enough.
Alright, for today's video, excited ako guys kasi today is the most beautiful day in the universe! Today, we're going to watch and react on the Miss Universe 2021. Ako guys, this edition is really exciting kasi first of all, it's the 70th anniversary of the competition. So medyo matagal na talaga ang Miss Universe and one of the most prestigious and for me, arguably the most prestigious pageant in the whole universe. Napanood na natin yung preliminary competition and girl! My gosh! Sobrang ganda nung laban na binigay nila. Especially kay Miss Universe Philippines, Miss Bea Gomez. Time check, it's already 8 a.m. So right now, nagsa-start na yung ating competition. So let's go, let's watch! So right now po, ini-introduce na ng ating host na si Steve Harvey, yung ating mga judges. Ayan. Ako, nakakatuwa na mapanood ulit si Steve Harvey on stage. Ayan no. Ever energetic talaga siya. So ayan, magsa-start na! Ayan na guys, top 60 na.
The first woman to advance is
France. Kahit tinamaan siya ng COVID, nandito talaga siya, di ba? She is meant to be here. Sino kaya? Colombia. Pasok din siya sa top 16 ko. Ganda ni Miss Colombia. So far, so good sa ating listahan. The Bahamas. Nakapasok. Alright, sa aking lista pala, by the way, here's my top 16. France, Philippines, Puerto Rico, USA, Colombia, India, Venezuela, Brazil, Vietnam, Panama, Spain, Dominican Republic, Kenya, South Africa, Namibia, and Paraguay. Ayan. Japan! Pasok ang Japan! Gulat si Japan! Paano yung gulat, Mars? Great Britain. Wala din siya sa ano ko, pero congratulations, pasok ka. Ayan, tas pasok ang USA! Kahit kakatapos lang ng competition na Miss USA, diretso si Bading talaga sa Eliat, Israel. My gosh. 10th na, my gosh. Philippines. India, of course. Of course, pasok ang India. Not surprised though.
Thank you so much, Steve.
India, ano ba? Girl, ano yun? Final 6 na! Oh my gosh, nakakaba. Philippines. Vietnam. In fairness naman sa voting talaga, malakas ang Vietnam. Congratulations, pasok si Vietnam. Ayan na. Aruba. Surprising! Hindi ko siya nakita sa radar ko, pero congratulations. Ang cute naman ni Aruba. Sobrang surprised siya.
Still with the chance that the crown is
13.
Paraguay.
Siyempre, pasok siya. Ayan.
Philippines.
Yan! Pasok ang Philippines! O, diba? Ganda ni Bea. Oh, laban na laban. Pak na pa.
Venezuela.
Ayan, pasok din. Siyempre, ang Venezuela. Ayan. Ganda ni Bading. Yes, pasok ang South Africa. Nagagandahan ako, by the way, sa national costume. Ang ganda. Isa na lang, guys. Sino kaya makakapasok sa top 16?
We now know the top 16.
Ha? Tapos na?
Andre Meza.
Anong Andre Meza? Yes, Steve. Nakainom ka, girl. Andre Mesa! Si Andrea Mesa may pinakamaiksing reign sa Miss Universe history. Like 7 months na ata. Pero syempre naman, understandable, it's because of the pandemic. Yung Miss Universe 2020 ginanap ngayong 2021 kasi walang Miss Universe last year. If you haven't watched my reaction to that Miss Universe 2020 69th Miss Universe edition, click nyo lang itong dito. Watch it. Ang ganda. Char! Kasama pala natin si Milan. Say hi, Milan! Ito pala si Milan, ang baby girl ko. Ang haba ng commercial, ha? Ayan na! Swimsuit competition na! Hey! Ang galing naman. Sino ba to? France! Ang ganda ni France. Pak. Colombia! Let's go, Valeria. Ang ganda ni Valeria, oh. Let's go, Singapore! Ang ganda ni Bakala. Pa-short hair realness. Let's go, Panama! Pak! Oh. Pak! Pak! Puerto Rico! Ganda! Ang ganda ni Puerto Rico! Let's go, the Bahamas! Let's go, Japan! Sweet girl lang si Japan. Sweet, ganun. Let's go, Great Britain! Ayan, USA na ha. Let's go, USA! Top 10 na! Paraguay! Pasok na talaga si Paraguay.
Also advancing is
Sana Philippines! Puerto Rico, of course. Oh, mga bigatin! Philippines na please! USA, pasok. O diba, pasok din siya sa top 10 ko eh. So check na check ang nasa lista ko in fairness. India, of course. Sabi ko sa inyo eh. Si Miss India mukha siyang Latina na Barbie doll, ganun. SF. O diba, pasok sa South Africa. Alright, the Bahamas. Pasok siya. Philippines na! Philippines! Pasok! Oh my God! Nabaliw ang mga bakla sa Twitter. Top 10! France! Top 9. Sino kaya? Colombia. Yan! Siyempre. Isa na lang. Nasasad ako. May Venezuela, may Vietnam pa.
the last contestant, Aruba.
Aruba! Uy, dark horse ang Aruba! Napatumba niya guys si Venezuela! Alright, so na-announce na po yung top 10 natin. Ako, napakaganda po ng lista. Ako guys, nakakagulat si Aruba. Out of nowhere, dark horse, di ba? Kasi even sa mga lista ng mga top picks ng ibang mga sites, wala din talaga si Aruba. Nasasad ako na wala si Vietnam and Venezuela, but nonetheless, these girls are really great. So ang top 5 natin, based on my list hula. Philippines, Puerto Rico, Colombia, India, and Aruba. Tingnan pala natin guys kung ano magiging standing ng aking lista. Pwede mag-change siya kapag natapos na yung kanilang long gown competition. Nako, nakaka-excite kasi nakapasok ulit ang Philippines. Kasi last year, di ba, hindi nakapasok si Rabia. Pero ayan, ngayon makikita natin nararampa na on stage si Miss Philippines sa Miss Universe. Exciting! Ayan, i-announce na po nila kung sino ang best in national costume for this year's Miss Universe National Costume. Sino kaya? Pick your bet. Comment down below. Well, tapos na yun. Sino? Oh my God! Si Miss Nigeria! Win pa din to sa Philippines kasi Pinoy ang nag-create at design.
Only 10 remain.
Ayan na.
They've been backstage putting on something like 3 minutes.
Grabing kabalik.
Reverse evening gown competition.
Evening gown.
Accompanied by Grammy Award-winning singer JoJo. Here are
Si JoJo.
our top 10.
Ayan na, ayan na! Paraguay. Ganda talaga ni Paraguay. Mukha siyang, mukha siyang manika.
Puerto Rico.
Wow! Goldie gown si Puerto Rico ngayon, Ay! Oh! Malakatrio na din yung ikot, mare! Iba talaga ang ginawang standard ni Catriona.
USA.
Wow! USA! Ang ganda ng gown ni USA. Ang ganda ng gown ni India. Oh, pak! Oh, pak! Wow, South Africa. Puro sila gold, no? Yung gown. Oh my God! No, is it too late? Naalala ko si Jojo nung high school kasi favorite siya ng kaklase ko, si Made. The Bahamas. In fairness naman sa lakad ni The Bahamas.
Philippines.
Woo! Philippines! Ang ganda! Goldie si ate. Let's go, Bea! Yes! I love her hair. Buti na lang binaba niya. Yes! Nagpi-fierce na siya. Oh my gosh! Let's go, Bea! Let's go! Yes! Strutting the runway!
Colombia.
Wow! Effect talaga ang gown ni Colombia. Oh my God, Jojo, sintonado ka. Sintonado siya, girl! Pak na pak! Effect ng gown ni Philippines! Ah! Kilig! Hindi ko alam kung anong NFT, guys. Comment down below kung anong meaning ng NFT. Meron daw na NFT ang Miss Universe. I don't know what that is. So. Eto na guys, so ito na talaga yung ating top 5 list. Sana ito yung makapasok. Philippines, Paraguay, Colombia, India, and Puerto Rico. So yan ang top 5 natin.
And now we reveal the 5 remaining contestants who still have a chance to wear the most desired crown in, well, the universe. First, in the final 5 is India.
India, pasok! My gosh!
India has a degree in information technology.
So, 1 down sa top 5 ko. So, Philippines, Paraguay, Colombia, Puerto Rico.
South Africa.
South Africa. Nakapasok ang South Africa. O, di ba? In fairness naman sa South Africa, every year talaga, they give it their all. Pak na pak.
Top 5. And 1 goes
Philippines,
to
Philippines. Paraguay, Philippines, Colombia.
Paraguay.
Paraguay. Pasok ang Paraguay. Ganda ni Paraguay.
2 to go. And moving to the next round is Colombia.
Colombia, pasok. Oh my God, guys.
Colombia aspires to become her country.
Oh my God. Sana Philippines.
There are 6 remaining delegates, but only 1 will go on to the next round. Last in the final 5 is Philippines.
And the crowd went wild! Oh my gosh!
Congratulations, ladies.
The crowd went wild for Philippines.
Of course! My gosh! Kudaan na! Ayan.
Committee
Question and answer na, guys.
determines the final 3. Each contestant is no mulligans.
Ganda ni
The
Bea.
way this round works is the contestant
My God, ang mukha ni Bea kinakabahan. Hoy, Bea, wag kang ganun. Bea.
India is first.
Many people think climate change is a hoax. What would you do to convince them otherwise?
Honestly, my heart breaks to see how nature is going through a lot of problems, and it's all due to our irresponsible behavior. And I totally feel that this is the time to take actions and talk less, because each action could either kill or save nature. Prevent and protect is better than repent and repair, and this is what I'm trying to convince you guys today. Thank you.
Wow.
Next up is South Africa.
Hi, Miss South Africa.
Hello, ma'am.
Si bakla, ang daming kuda.
Are you?
Yes. Okay. So my question to you is, should tweets and social media comments from a person in their teenage years be held against them years later?
I believe that everybody should be held accountable for their actions. And if a person doesn't know how to act on social media, they should be cancelled. I believe in cancel culture. In the same breath, I also believe in redemption culture.
Oh.
And hoping that the person has matured and has known better and done better, I hope that they could do better and be redeemed. So I do believe that they can grow and be allowed a gap to do that. Thank you.
Wow. Kung may cancelled culture, meron naman palang redemption culture.
Hindi
ko alam.
Are you ready? Choose a selection panel.
Okay naman yung sagot niya, pero parang Paraguay na.
Your question comes from Adriana.
Adriana Lima.
How can women best handle body shaming?
Ooh.
Our body is our temple, so we must take care of it. Our inner beauty is what really matters. Let's cultivate our inner beauty so it can reflect to our external beauty. Thank you.
Ano daw yung sagot? Ano daw?
Thank you.
Colombia, your turn.
Yan, Colombian.
Your question comes from Lori.
Okay. According to Global Citizen, 95% of the world's countries are led by a male head of state. How would the world be different if more women were in charge?
Women are leader by nature. We have the power to raise our voice and make transcendental decisions in society as role models, make an example, but not just with words, with action. That's why women raising our voice, as in this platform called Miss Universe, we are taking charge of our lives and deciding what we want to apport to the society in order to make it a better one. So women, let's raise our voice and make us a better united universe. Thank you.
In fairness naman sa sagot ni Colombia. Ayan na, Philippines na guys! Ah!
And Philippines, you're up.
My question is, given the ever-changing COVID situation, what is your opinion of mandating a universal vaccine passport?
Shalom.
Wow.
I believe that public health is everyone's responsibility, and to mandate vaccine inoculation is necessary. And if mandating vaccine passport would help us in regulating and the rollouts of vaccine and mitigate the situation of the pandemic today, then I would agree on mandating the necessary passport of vaccination. Thank you.
Passport of vaccination. Oh my, kinabahan si Beatrice!
Thank you to the top.
My gosh, kinabahan si Bea. So nag-stutter siya in everything. Kinabahan si Bea, pero okay lang yan. Laban pa din Pilipinas.
The first
Sino kaya ang top 3 natin?
with the chance to become the next Miss Universe is South Africa.
South Africa. Congratulations, top 3.
Still in the competition is India.
India, pasok. Let's see, baka makapasok pa din si Philippines. Let's go. Hopeful.
Only one of you will move on. The final contestant is Paraguay.
Paraguay. Naligwak si Colombia tsaka si Philippines. Pero still, congratulations pa rin kay Bea Luigi Gomez kasi you've made it this far. Top 5. Nako, hindi biro ang top 5, Bea. Medyo nag-stumble lang talaga tayo sa ating Q&A pero we're still very very proud of you. Powerhouse pa din ang Philippines, di ba? We're so proud of you. So ang top 3 ay Paraguay, India, and South Africa, o di ba? Para sa akin, overall, si Miss India ang gusto kong manalo for this edition. Last look na guys sa top 3 natin. Wow! Ang ganda ng mga lakad nila guys. Oh, ayan si India. Oh my gosh. Grabe si Paraguay. Mukha siyang goddess na naglalakad. Oh. Parang lumulutang siya, oh guys. Wow. Mukha talagang goddess. Lumulutang si Paraguay. Oh. Ginanon niya. Top 3 na. Ay, 3 lang. India, South Africa, Paraguay. For me, Miss India ang winner.
South Africa, come on over.
Oh, first, South Africa.
What advice would you give to young women watching on how to deal with the pressures they face today?
I would implore young women today to choose courage over comfort every opportunity they get. I'd also like young women to know that since the beginning of time, they've had everything rather, within them to achieve anything they've wanted. It was unfortunately the world that convinced us that we did not. Thank you.
Thank you. India, please join me.
Yan na si India, my gosh.
Well, I think the biggest pressure the youth of today is facing is to believe in themselves. To know that you are unique and that's what makes you beautiful. Stop comparing yourselves with others and let's talk about more important things that's happening worldwide. I think this is what you need to understand. Come out, speak for yourself because you are the leader of your life. You are the voice of your own.
Wow.
I believed in myself and that's why I'm standing here today. Thank you.
Wow! Miss India! Ganda!
Paraguay, please join me.
Ganda ni Paraguay, mukha siyang manika.
I've been through so many hard situations in my life, but I overcome it. So I want all women, all person who is watching in this moment to join forces, to do what are you meant to do. Because you can do it, no matter the situation, you can overcome it and you can always be victorious.
Wow.
Thank you.
India pa din sa akin. Sino kaya ang mananalo? Is it going to be Miss South Africa? Or Paraguay? Or Miss India? Ayan. Comment down below kung sino ang bet niyo talaga. Ang gaganda ng mga sagot nila pero Miss India really stood out for me. Ayan na! Ito na guys.
Last year, but only one of them is about to become Miss Universe.
Miss India. Kinakabahan si Steve, baka mali na naman yung masabi niya. Ayan na! Kinakabahan ako. Philippines! Charing.
Congratulations, Portugal.
Huh? Portugal?
Yes. Well, y'all said Portugal. They wrote Portugal on the damn sign trying to play me again. They're trying to get
Oh my God! Portugal!
Congratulations, Paraguay. They had Portugal on the damn sign.
Kaloka.
Don't try to blame this on me this year. Paraguay and India, please step forward.
Grabe ang kaba ni India.
And the new Miss Universe is India.
Yes! Yes! After 21 years! Yes! Miss India!
Please take your first walk as Miss Universe.
The 70th edition of Miss Universe. Congratulations, Miss India! And of course, once again, congratulations still to Miss Universe Philippines, Beatrice Luigi Gomez. Congratulations pa din sa'yo, girl. Ayan. Napakaganda ng edition na ito kasi halos lahat magagaling. My gosh, deserving yung lahat ng nasa top 16 up to our top 3. And dyan po nagtatapos ang aking video for today. I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa aking Miss Universe 2021 reaction. Congratulations once again to our winner for this year's Miss Universe, si Miss India. If bago ka sa aking YouTube channel, please do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And please do not forget to click that notification bell para lagi kayong updated sa aking future vlogs and future uploads. So with that, see you on my next vlog. Bye!